Good morning, teachers, and a warm welcome to you. Today, we are going to continue our induction program with the current topic being infrastructure for children with special needs. We are going to watch a short video that will take you on a tour to school. I know in general situation, we would have visited the school and we would have taken you around the school showing different things, but this is a special case. And so let's quickly have a e-tour to our school and look out at what specific facilities are provided to this, provided for children with special needs. I'll show the video. As you all can see, we are now at the school's main entrance. We have two wide main gates. The gates are wide enough to allow any vehicular movement, as it may be essential for children with special needs and in specific cases. As we walk into the school, you can see this. As we walk into the school, you can see that we have staircase for raised platform, and we also have an adjoining ramp. So both staircase and ramp are provided side by side for access by all students. So all students, irrespective of their needs, can walk into the raised platforms. These entry points have, all the entry points in school have both staircase and adjoining ramp. So every critical point is provided with both ramps and staircase.
The handle placed at the side of the ramp is really helpful for the children with special needs to have a better balance.
Yes, Jack, thank you. That was yes, that is a very, very important thing. The handles are really helpful as they help students climb up or come up to walk up the ramp very easily.
Yeah, Ma'am, yes. I want to add one more point. I'm Shankari.
Yes, Shankari.
Our school has ramp entry in all critical entry points. I just want to add this.
Yes, definitely, Shankari. At all entry points, like it might be from the ground or the main entry point, or there might be different entry points at school, and we need to ensure that the entry points, all the entry points have access through ramp as well as staircase. So as you can see, handles are provided for easy grip. This is our entry from the ground. It is also okay. So apart from entry to the main area or the raised platform, we also have different floor levels. So for that, lifts are very, very essential, and we should that lifts ensure entry points are easily accessible to all floors. So students can easily access all the floor levels. The lifts open into wide corridors for easy mobility. The corridors connect different classrooms, labs, and all other areas of the school, essential areas where the students need to learn. So all these are connected through wide corridors. These corridors are wide enough to provide easy entry to all the students and their movement, even on the wheelchairs. The classrooms also have easy, like wide doors, so that easy movement is possible through wheelchairs or any other specific cases as it may be required. So the doors are really wide. Specially designed restrooms are also provided to students with special needs. The wide doors and sufficient space allows easy maneuverability of wheelchair inside. Also, the handles are very, very essential to provide grip to the students. So this was a short presentation where you can see what are the facilities provided for students with special needs. So I think that's it for this category. And thank you all. Thank you, teachers.